Welcome to BioBlooms. In this video, let us see about the structure of chloroplast and the pigment present inside the chloroplast called as chlorophyll pigment. So in this lesson, we can see the differences between chloroplast and chlorophyll. And next we come to the site of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in green parts of the plant such as leaves, stems and floral buds. Here it is given that chlorophyll on the leaves. So chlorophyll usually present inside the chloroplast. It is a pigment which traps the light energy and convert it into chemical energy and complete the process of photosynthesis. Now come to the parts of a leaf. Leaf contains a stalk-like structure called petiole, and this leaf blade is different for different plants, and the middle portion is called as midrib, and the network-like structures are called as veins, and this distinguishes the reticulate and the parallel venation. When the leaf has a large surface to receive more light, and mesophyll tissue present in the leaves between the two epidermal layers is suitable for photosynthetic activity with its chloroplast. Since more number of chloroplasts are present in the palisade parenchyma, more photosynthesis takes place on the upper side of the leaves. Transverse section of leaf. Here the leaf has upper epidermis and lower epidermis, and upper epidermis consists of cuticle, and the palisade parenchyma on the upper side are elongated cells, whereas the lower cells are irregularly arranged called as spongy parenchyma. And the bundle sheet cells, in the middle of this you can see vascular bundles. Next, internal structure of leaf. The flowchart is given here clearly, and here it is given about the structure, that is a transverse section of leaf. Here the mesophyll tissue, that is already discussed, that palisade parenchyma are elongated cells and spongy parenchyma are irregularly arranged cells. And the next one is the plastids. Actually these plastids give color to the leaves, fruits, vegetables. Chloroplasts are green color, chromoplasts are yellow, red, orange colored plastids, whereas leucoplasts are colorless. So these plastids are responsible for preparation and storage of food. Here, see, the leaf contains chloroplast, and this chloroplast contains chlorophyll pigment. And this chlorophyll pigment is very important. It traps the light energy and help in the process of light reaction and dark reaction, the two phases of photosynthesis. Several studies are made by the scientists on chlorophyll pigments. Here it is given that in 1817, Pelletier and Caventou extracted a green colored substance, chlorophyll, from the leaf. Julius von Sachs in 1883 found that chlorophyll is present in organelle named chloroplast. And next you come to the differences between chloroplast and chlorophyll. Chloroplast is a membranous structure and consists of two membranes responsible for enzymatic reactions leading to the synthesis of glucose, whereas chlorophyll is a pigment of green color, contains one atom of magnesium, and it harvests solar energy and converts it into chemical energy. The next one, pictures are given. So different pictures are given like this. Whichever you feel easy, you can follow any type of picture, all are one and the same. And this chlorophyll are located in the lipid part of the thylakoid membrane. So it is found chloroplast only in the plant cells. So in the lower classes we studied about animal and plant cells. Chloroplasts are only found in the plant cells. Next, ultrastructure of chloroplast. It has an envelope, and this envelope has outer and inner membrane which is separated by intermembrane space. And stroma is present inside the membrane. It contains DNA and 70S ribosomes and other molecules required for protein synthesis. Thylakoids consist of thylakoid membrane that encloses thylakoid lumen. And next, If you come to the functions of chloroplast, the main function already we discussed, that photosynthesis, and the second function is storage of starch, synthesis of fatty acids, storage of lipids, and formation of chloroplast. But the main function it performs is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is useful for the plants for the preparation of food materials. So again, some more pictures also displayed here. You go through the pictures. So this chloroplast are organized to form the reaction centers called photosystem 1 and photosystem 2. And here you can see the ultrastructure of the chloroplast given, where thylakoids are piled up in a stalk, and this stalk of thylakoids are called granum or grana. What is the role of chloroplast in photosynthesis? Conversion of light energy into chemical energy, splitting of water molecule, and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. Here, for all these processes, two types of phases occurs in photosynthesis. One is the light reaction and another one is dark reaction. So light reaction, it takes place in the grana, and dark reaction occurs in the stroma. See the overview of chloroplast. Plant cell consists of chloroplast, and that chloroplast contains thylakoids which are piled up called as grana, and inside that you can see pigments like chlorophyll pigment, chromoplast or leucoplast, whatever it is. And next one is, what makes chloroplast appear completely different from other cell organelles? So it consists of chlorophyll A pigment called as primary pigment, and chlorophyll B pigment is called as accessory pigments. So primary pigment is a reaction center, whereas accessory pigment is a harvesting center. Now assessment is ready for you. See the assessment, 5 questions are given, and what is the work for you after watching this video is, give answers in the comment section. Why chloroplasts are green in color? What are grana? What do you call the colorless area in chloroplast? And parrot is in green color but unable to perform photosynthesis. So give comment section your answers. Thank you for watching.